Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. I'm going back to boat songs, so this is like a part 2 of boat songs. A shout out to Vish Rao from the UK for the original suggestion of boat songs. So for my first share, I want to share from the movie Baiju Bawra. This starred Meena Kumari and Bharat Bhushan in the lead. It was Meena Kumari's big break as a heroine. Huge hit. The movie was the story of a young man who wants to take revenge on the great singer Tansen. He blames Tansen for his father's death. But as he grows up in the village, he falls in love with a girl from the village, Gauri, played by Meena Kumari, and he kind of forgets about his revenge. Then he's reminded of it a little bit later on, and he goes off to the capital to seek out Tansen, and his original plan is to kill him, but he has all kinds of twists and turns happen in his life, and it goes on, and spoiler alert, ends in a tragedy. The music was outstanding for the movie. Naushad Saab with Shakil Saab's lyrics, there was literally nothing to complain about the music. It was absolutely perfect. So the song that I want to share is one where Baiju and Gauri are in love, and he is singing to her from the shore while she is rowing a boat on the river. Sung by Rafi Saab, Tu Ganga ki Mauj Main Jamuna Ka Dhara.
Oh ji तू गंगा की मौज में जमुना का धारा तू गंगा की मौज में जमुना का धारा हो रहेगा मिलन ये हमारा ओ हमारा तुम्हारा रहेगा मिलन ये हमारा तुम्हारा अगर तू है सागर तो मंझधार मैं हूँ मंझधार मैं हूँ तेरे दिल की कश्ती का पतवार मैं हूँ पतवार मैं हूँ चलेगी अकेले ना तुमसे ये नैया न तुमसे ये नैया चले आओ जी चले आओ जी चले आओ मौजों का लेकर सहारा हो रहेगा मिलन ये हमारा तुम्हारा.
Nausher Wane Adil. This was a Sohrab Modi movie. The story was that of an Iranian king who is highly principled, and this mindset of how principled he is tested because he has to execute his son. In that kingdom, the law is that if you rise up against the king or you deceive a woman, you will be put to death. And it turns out that his son is convicted of both of these things and has to be executed. So Sohrab Modi plays the emperor, and the great Pari Chehra, Naseem Banu, Saira Banu's mother, is the empress. Rajkumar plays the prince, and Mala Sinha plays the love interest for the prince. The music was by C. Ramchandra, with Parvez Shamsi writing the lyrics. So this song, of course, is pictured in happier times with the couple, romantically singing to each other. It's a duet, Lata Mangeshkar with Mohammad Rafi. तारों की जुबां पर है मोहब्बत की कहानी.
तारों की जुबां पर है मोहब्बत की कहानी तारों की जुबां पर है मोहब्बत की कहानी है चांद मुबारक हो तुझे पर है मोहब्बत की कहानी, है चांद मुबारक हो तुझे रात सुहानी। कहते हैं किसे चांदनी है नूर मोहब्बत, कहते हैं किसे चांदनी है नूर मोहब्बत। तारों से सुनहरी है हमेशा तेरी किस्मत, तारों से सुनहरी है हमेशा तेरी किस्मत। जा जा के पलट आती है फिर तेरी जवानी, चांद मुबारक हो तुझे रात सुहानी।
Avara, which came out in 1951. Raj Kapoor, Nargis in the lead. It was a nature versus nurture kind of a story. Raj Kapoor plays a con man. Prithviraj Kapoor, who plays his father in the movie, is the judge. Nargis is sort of the childhood love interest. You know, they separate, then they meet again, and so on. The movie was an enormous hit. The music was superb. It was the usual Raj Kapoor choice of Shankar Jaikishan, with Shailendra Ji and Hasrat Jaipuri writing the lyrics. This song is where the couple are romancing each other and they're on a little boat. Very, very charming picturization, and the song is also just beautiful. Raj Kapoor, Nargis are very, very charming. He is, you know, slightly rakish and not his usual kind of self-pitying tramp kind of a persona. He's very dashing, I should say. And she is just sweet, very innocent. Dam bhar jo udhar muh phere.
दम भर जो उधर मुँह फेरे ओ चंदा, मैं उनसे प्यार कर लूँगी, बातें हजार कर लूँगी। दिल करता है प्यार के सजदे, दिल करता है प्यार के सजदे, और मैं भी उनके साथ चांद को चंदा रोज ही देखे। मेरी पहली रात हो, मेरी पहली रात, बादल में अब छुप जा रे ओ चंदा, मैं उनसे प्यार कर लूँगी, बातें हजार कर लूँगी।
दम भर जो इधर मुंह फेरे।
Roop Ki Rani, Choron Ka Raja. This came out in, I think, 61. Devanand, Wahida Ji in the lead. Very interesting premise of this whole movie. The entire movie is set on a boat. The boat is carrying a bunch of people, mainly pilgrims, and they're all heading to this particular pilgrimage site. So there are all kinds of people, you know, on the boat, sick people, young people, old people, and it also includes a pair of thieves in the form of Devanand and Jeevan Kumar. Oh, there's also kind of a mute muscle man type sidekick of Jeevan Kumar in the movie as well. The movie was meh, but there are some scenes that are worth watching. Wahida Ji, Devanand, always a pleasure to watch, but such an interesting theme. I wish it had been made in a better way. Anyway, that's not our problem at this point. The music. Sadly, the music for the most part is also meh. There are a couple of songs which are very nice, including the one that I'm going to share. But again, sad. Anyway, the music was by Shankar Jaikishan and it had Shailendra Ji writing all the lyrics. This is a duet that the couple are singing, romancing each other. तुम तो दिल के तार छेड़ कर खो गए,
तुम तो दिल के तार छेड़ कर खो गए, बेखबर चांद के तले जलेंगे हम रात भर तुम तो दिल के तार छेड़ कर तुमको नींद आएगी तुम तो सो ही जाओगे तुमको नींद आएगी तुम तो सो ही जाओगे किसका ले लिया है दिल ये भी भूल जाओगे ये तो कह दो एक बार ख्वाब में तो आओगे ये तो कह दो एक बार ख्वाब में तो आओगे ख्वाब में तो आओगे तुम तो दिल के तार पे हो गए बेखबर तुम तो दिल के तार छेड़ कर
हो गए बेखबर चांद के तले जलेंगे हम ऐ सनम रात भर तुम तो दिल के तार छेड़ कर
Apna Ghar, Apni Kahani, also known as Pyas. This movie came out in 1968. It was a story about the evils of alcohol. Really well made movie. Beena Rai and Shekhar in the lead, with Mumtaz and Sudhir being the sort of younger couple in the movie. This movie handled this whole theme in such a non-preachy, very effective way. Another movie called Vasna, released the same year, same theme, so over the top, preachy, ham-handed in comparison. This movie was really well made, worth watching if you have the time. The music for the movie was by N. Dattaram, with Qamar Jalalabadi writing the lyrics. Beena Rai is just fantastic in this movie, by the way. I have to give a special shout out to her. Her acting is so nuanced and so very real. You know, she shows the frustration, the anger. She's not portrayed as this weak, weepy woman who's just constantly berating the husband for getting drunk or whatever. Just a very, very well played, very intelligent kind of a role and acted in that manner. This song that I want to share is picturized on the younger couple, Mumtaz and Sudhir. They're in a boat singing the song to each other, you know, presence of a very lovely moon and so on. Their whole role in the movie is not that much. It's basically based on the older couple. So the song is a duet, Mahendra Kapoor with Asha Bhonsle, Chand Bhi Koi Deewana Hai.
कोई दीवाना है बात है लेकिन बेगाना है चांद भी कोई दीवाना है साथ है लेकिन बेगाना है चांद भी
ही आवारा रात भर फिरता है मारा मारा ये भी है हम सा ही आवारा रात भर फिरता है मारा मारा इसका भी गम अनजाना है साथ है लेकिन बेगाना है
चांद भी कोई दीवाना है साथ है लेकिन बेगाना है चांद भी
Katti Patang, that came out in 71, starring Asha Parekh, Rajesh Khanna. Super hit movie. It was based on Gulshan Nanda's novel by the same name. Gulshan Nanda had got the idea from a book by Cornell Woolrich that came out in 1950, maybe somewhere thereabouts. It was called I Married a Dead Man. And this was made into a movie in Hollywood by the name of No Man of Her Own or some such thing. Anyway, Gulshan Nanda wrote the screenplay as well for Kati Patang, and it was a great movie actually. It was really fun to watch, very well done. The role of Asha Parekh, basically that is the main role in the movie. She plays the role of this woman who is pretending to be the widowed daughter-in-law of an elderly couple who are both very sick and cannot be told the truth that both their son and their daughter-in-law are dead. And the movie unfolds with other twists and turns. Very, very entertaining movie. And the music was outstanding. R.D. Burman, Anand Bakshi. What a combination. Superb. Every single song is a gem. So this particular song, Rajesh Khanna, Asha Parekh in the boat, he is singing to her. Mukesh ji has sung it very beautifully. Jis gali mein tera ghar na ho balma.
जिस गली में तेरा घर न हो बालमा, उस गली से हमें तो गुजरना नहीं। जो डगर तेरे द्वारे पे जाती न हो, उस डगर पे हमें पाँव रखना नहीं। जिस गली में तेरा घर न हो बालमा। जिंदगी में कई रंग रलियां सही, हर तरफ मुस्कुराती ये कलियां सही। जिंदगी में कई रंग रलियां सही, हर तरफ मुस्कुराती ये कलियां सही। खूबसूरत बहारों की गलियां सही, जिस चमन में तेरे पग में कांटे चुभे। जिस चमन में तेरे पग में कांटे चुभे, उस चमन से हमें फूल चुनना नहीं। जिस गली में तेरा घर न हो बालमा।
That's it for today, folks. I think both songs would merit maybe a part 3 at some point. As always, I request you all to go to YouTube, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done that, and spread the word among your family and friends to do the same. I will be back in 2 weeks, and until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.